Git is a decentralized and distributed version control system. While Git is decentralized, most people still choose to use it with a central server to serve as the main repository for a project or team. Because of the distributed nature, Git can scale massively. For example, the creator of Git, Linus Torvalds, wanted to create a version control system that could handle the requirements of the Linux kernel project, which he also created. Today, the Linux kernel project contains over 15 million lines of code, with over 1,200 worldwide developers contributing to the project in dozens of active branches. Another key benefit of being distributed is that most operations in Git are local. There are only a few commands that require a network connection. Otherwise, you can work completely disconnected, even performing comparisons and commits completely off network. Since most operations are local, Git is very fast with the same operations. Also, Git is free and open source, which also contributes to its popularity. Git has a very active community, and there are many resources available online. Also, it is very easy to find developers that already have experience with Git. Because of all these factors, Git has become the most popular version control system. Git's de facto standard status means that Git enjoys wide adoption and integration into other tools used by the development community, including text editors, bug tracking systems, and build servers.